Hello, my name is Rupandas. I'm a student of Masai School in a software development batch. So today I'm going to answer some of the questions from uh, based on my recent Construct Week projects. So the first question is, what is the scope of this project? Why did you choose the same? So the project is a library management system. My scope was to build a uh, very uh, good and uh, smooth library management system where uh, user and we can say the student can uh, borrow a book, return a book smoothly, and a librarian who can manage librarian or admin who can this uh, uh, manage this all the things, borrowing book and adding book, updating book, deleting book smoothly. So the next question is, can you walk me through the most challenging technical problem you encounter in your project and how you resolve it? So the most challenging technical part I have faced is uh, like user authentication by or the second challenging part I have faced is to uh, that whenever there are multiple user, how it will handle. So these two challenge I have faced, and I have reduced uh, some challenge, but not completely. So the next question is, what specific technology did you use, and why did you choose them for the projects? So the technology I have used is for front end, I use React, for database MongoDB, and for to making APIs, I have Node.js Express, and for designing, I used Java, CSS. And the next question is, did you encounter any performance issue? How did you identify and address them? So I have used a performance issue when I checked the user profile. The profile was loading, but loading very slowly. Uh, then I resolved this issue. And the next question is, can you explain a situation where you had to make a critical decision that impacted your project's direction? Yes. So uh, I build the project, the functionality, and then whenever I try to use CSS at that time, because I had less time to uh, write good CSS, so I uh, write only simple CSS just to look good, not very advanced CSS. So I had to sacrifice that designing part. The next question is, how did you manage version control and collaboration with your project? So I used GitHub as a version control, and uh, I have pushed all the codes there and maintaining that I don't, uh, so that I can check all the stages of my code later. And next question is, were there any trade-offs of you had to make while working on the project? How did you prioritize? So the one trade-off I make, that is, I already discussed that the designing part, as I was, I I was I had less time to uh, design the website, so I just use a little CS, like small amount of CSS to design, not that advanced level. So I had to trade off these things. So the next question is, describe a piece of feedback you received from your project and how you implemented it. So as it is a solo project, so uh, there is no team member, so I didn't get any feedback from my team, from anyone. So the next question is, what would you do differently if you were to start the project again? So if I had a chance to start the project again, I'll build a good UI for that, because my UI is not that good at that moment. So the next question is, can you explain the architecture of the project, why it was designed this way? So to build a robust library management system, so I needed backend, frontend, as well as database. For that, I have used React, Node.js, and MongoDB. So we designed it way because we needed to authorization. We need that, so we need to use authorization to identify the person is genuine or not, and we need to return the book, or we need to maintain all the book related things. That's why we use Northern Express and Mongo to store the related informations. So the next question is, how did you ensure the scalability and security of their project? So uh, for security, we have used email authentication so that the not anyone can access this. And the next question is, how did you collaborate with other team members on the projects? Can you give an example? How did you resolve a conflict or disagreement? So, as it was my solo project, so I was working alone. The next question, describe a situation where you had to incorporate feedback from others into your projects. So again, it's a solo project, so I work by myself only. So I didn't had that opportunity to work with others. So the next question is a team collaboration. As it was my solo project, so I didn't have any team. Thank you.